Top 20 payroll interview questions and answers. Preparing for a payroll interview requires understanding financial accuracy, compliance, and confidentiality. These top 20 payroll interview questions and answers will help you demonstrate expertise, professionalism, and attention to detail. 1. What is payroll and why is it important? Payroll is the process of compensating employees for their work, including wages, bonuses, and deductions. It ensures employees are paid accurately and on time while maintaining compliance with tax laws. Proper payroll management boosts employee satisfaction, ensures legal compliance, and maintains the organization's reputation. Payroll accuracy also supports financial planning and reporting, making it an essential function for business efficiency and credibility. 2. What are the key components of payroll? The main component of payroll include gross salary, deductions like taxes, insurance, and retirement contributions, and net pay. Other elements include bonuses, overtime pay, and benefits. These components ensure accurate compensation and compliance with government regulations. Employers must also manage statutory contributions and maintain detailed records for audits. Understanding each component helps in maintaining transparency, accuracy, and trust within the organization's financial structure. 3. How do you ensure accuracy in payroll processing? Accuracy in payroll processing requires thorough data verification, use of automated payroll software, and double-checking entries before payment. Regular audits and compliance checks help prevent errors and discrepancies. Staying updated with tax laws and labor regulations is vital. Maintaining accurate employee records and conducting cross-departmental reviews also ensures consistency. Effective payroll management depends on attention to detail, timely updates, and proactive problem-solving to maintain employee trust and legal compliance. 4. What payroll software have you used before? I have experience using popular payroll software, such as ADP, QuickBooks, SAP, and Paychex. These platforms streamline payroll processing, automate tax calculations, and reduce human error. Each software provides reporting tools for compliance and employee management. My familiarity with these systems allows me to handle complex payroll scenarios efficiently. I can quickly adapt to new platforms, ensuring accurate and timely payroll processing aligned with company policies and legal requirements. 5. How do you handle payroll errors? When a payroll error occurs, I immediately investigate the cause, verify records, and communicate transparently with the affected employee. I correct the issue in the next payroll cycle or issue an adjustment if needed. Documentation of the error and its resolution is essential for audit purposes. Preventive measures, such as regular audits and automation, help reduce future mistakes. Maintaining professionalism and accuracy during error handling preserves employee trust and compliance. 6. How do you stay updated with payroll laws and regulations? I stay updated by subscribing to government bulletins, attending payroll seminars, and following reputable HR and tax websites. Regular training and certification renewals keep my knowledge current. I also participate in professional payroll associations that share updates on tax, labor, and compliance regulations. Staying informed is crucial to ensure the organization remains legally compliant and avoids penalties. Continuous learning helps maintain payroll accuracy and efficiency in a changing regulatory environment. 7. What is the difference between gross pay and net pay? Gross pay is the total earnings an employee receives before deductions, including salary, bonuses, and overtime. Net pay is the amount left after deductions like taxes, insurance, and retirement contributions. Understanding this distinction ensures accurate payroll processing and clear employee communication. Properly managing these calculations prevents errors and promotes transparency. Accurate computation of gross and net pay helps maintain compliance and strengthens the organization's financial management. 8. How do you handle confidential payroll information? Handling confidential payroll data requires strict adherence to privacy policies. I ensure sensitive employee information is stored securely using password-protected systems and limited access controls. I never share payroll details with unauthorized personnel. Compliance with data protection laws like GDPR is essential. Maintaining confidentiality builds employee trust and safeguards a company's integrity. I also practice discretion and ensure all payroll-related communication follows established company security protocols. 9. What is PAY and how does it work? PAYE, pay as you earn, is a system where employers deduct income tax and national insurance contributions from employees' wages before payment. It ensures timely tax collection by the government. Employers remit these deductions directly to tax authorities. Managing PAYE correctly prevents tax liabilities and ensures legal compliance. Understanding PAYE is crucial for accurate payroll administration and employee satisfaction. Regular updates from HMRC help maintain compliance with evolving regulations. 10. How you manage payroll deadlines. I manage payroll deadlines by maintaining an organized schedule and setting reminders for each payroll cycle. Automation tools help streamline data entry and reduce processing time. Regular communication with HR and finance departments ensures timely data updates. I always verify employee records ahead of the cutoff date. Planning for contingencies helps avoid last-minute delays. Meeting deadlines consistently ensures employees are paid on time and boosts overall operational reliability. 11. What steps do you take before finalizing payroll? Before finalizing payroll, I verify attendance records, review deductions, and cross-check tax rates. I ensure all bonuses, commissions, and overtime are accurately recorded. I also confirm that employee details are up to date and reconcile payroll reports for accuracy. Communication with HR helps identify any recent changes like new hires or terminations. Reviewing these details thoroughly before submission ensures compliance, accuracy, and employee satisfaction with their pay statements. 12. How do you handle employee payroll queries? I approach employee payroll queries with patience, professionalism, and transparency. First, I listen carefully to understand the concern. Then, I review the payroll data and provide clear explanations supported by documentation. If a correction is necessary, I act promptly and inform the employee about the resolution timeline. Maintaining open communication builds trust and reduces misunderstandings. Quick, accurate responses help reinforce confidence in payroll accuracy and company processes. 13. What deductions are typically made from payroll? Other deductions may include loan repayments, union fees, or wage garnishments. These deductions are either statutory or voluntary, depending on employee agreements and legal requirements. Accurate deduction management ensures compliance with regulations and fairness to employees. Transparent communication about deductions prevents confusion and fosters trust between employees and the organization's payroll team. 14. How you process overtime payments. Overtime payments are processed based on company policy and labor laws. I calculate overtime by multiplying the extra hours worked by the appropriate overtime rate. It's essential to confirm eligibility and proper approval before processing. Maintaining accurate attendance and time-keeping records prevents errors. Including overtime in the correct pay period ensures employees receive fair compensation. Clear communication with managers and HR ensures transparency and compliance with regulations. 15. What is the importance of payroll reconciliation? Payroll reconciliation ensures that all payroll records match accounting and bank statements. It helps detect discrepancies, such as overpayments, underpayments, or tax errors. Regular reconciliation improves accuracy, transparency, and compliance. This process also identifies potential fraud or system issues early. By reconciling payroll, organizations maintain financial integrity and employee trust. It's an essential part of internal auditing and contributes to efficient and reliable payroll management practices. 16. How do you manage payroll for remote or international employees? Managing payroll for remote or international employees involves understanding tax laws and compliance requirements for each region. I use global payroll systems that handle currency conversions and local regulations. Maintaining accurate records of exchange rates, local taxes, and employee benefits is vital. Communication with local authorities ensures compliance. I also coordinate with HR to ensure consistent policies. Effective management of global payroll ensures fairness, accuracy, and compliance across all locations. 17. How you handle payroll audits. During payroll audits, I prepare detailed records, including employee data, payment history, and tax submissions. I ensure all calculations and documentation are accurate and accessible. Cooperation with auditors and transparency throughout the process are key. Regular internal audits help identify and correct potential issues before official reviews. Maintaining organized, up-to-date payroll records ensures smooth audits, demonstrates compliance, and reinforces a company's reputation for accuracy and accountability. 18. How do you calculate statutory sick pay, SSP? To calculate SSP, I verify the employee's eligibility based on statutory guidelines and average weekly earnings. SSP is paid for qualifying sick days after the initial waiting period. Using payroll software helps automate calculations and ensure compliance. Accurate record keeping of medical certificates and absence periods is essential. Proper management ensures employees receive fair compensation while maintaining adherence to employment law and minimizing payroll errors. 19. What challenges have you faced in payroll management? Challenges include handling frequent regulation changes, resolving discrepancies, and managing tight deadlines. I overcome these by staying organized, continuously updating my knowledge, and using reliable payroll software. Communication with HR and finance teams also helps prevent data mismatches. Managing diverse employee pay structures can be complex, but I ensure accuracy through verification and review. Overcoming these challenges builds resilience, efficiency, and reliability in payroll operations. 20. Why do you want to work in payroll? I enjoy payroll because it combines accuracy, organization, and compliance with employee satisfaction. Managing payroll ensures fairness and financial integrity within an organization. I'm passionate about maintaining precise records and meeting deadlines. Payroll plays a vital role in business operations and employee trust. Working in payroll allows me to apply my analytical skills while contributing directly to the company's success and financial accountability. Mastering payroll interview questions enhances your confidence and professional appeal. These answers help you demonstrate technical knowledge, accuracy, and integrity, qualities every employer values in an effective payroll professional.